Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you and others won't. The two of you only need to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 56, NASDAQ up 18, S&P's up 2.5, gold contract down 80 cents at $13.14 an ounce, silver down 6 cents, $17.46. Both gold and silver, folks, much higher. Gold finished an ABC structure on the way up, gave it up in price. We're going to go through those. Platinum, up $7, $9.95 an ounce. Copper, up a penny, trading $3.09 a pound. Copper wants to run to this 323 area. Pretty amazing what's happening with copper. Light sweet crude, down 18 cents. $46.39 a barrel. We're going to have the API numbers out at 4:30 this afternoon. We'll see where the oil numbers are. Notes. 10-year note up 8 ticks, 127.08. 30-year bond up 10 ticks, 157.02. King dollar up 180 ticks, 92.320. The euro is at 119 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 109.7, 0.75 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so you rejected lower price. You get down to a price point of 242. You closed at 245, 244.85. You had an expansion of volume. That's saying, guess what, folks? You're going to be right back down into those levels. Thus far, inside the SPY, what we actually have 3 lower highs, 2 lower lows. Look at the NDX 100. Same type of setup in the NDX. What you have with the NDX, that gets down to 141.06. Rejects lower price. Does have an expansion of volume. Bottom line, the NDX has 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. This is going to get really interesting because the volume, the volatility, no doubt has picked up, and you're going to see it pick up even more. Gold contract, what do we got? Gold goes up to $13.31. Your ABC structure on the way up was $13.27. Blows away your swing points. Does exactly what it should have done. Gave it up on price dramatically. Went from $13.31 to $13.14. But guess what, folks? You get over highs and you have the volume. You're right back up there. And the ABC structures themselves, depending on how long you've been following me, if you're following ABCs in general, many times you see them give it up in spades, and that's why many times that you put the sell in right at the A to B equals C to D. Now there's no doubt that was a dramatic layout inside that market out here today. Silver, well, let's take a look at the silver market. Silver market got to a price point of $17.75, also gave it up, but guess what? You get the volume behind that move too. So silver, you're at the 17.45. Does 83,000 contracts, huge contract volume. Silver wants to run to 18.87. And right now, got to 17.75. You're coming into the swing of, actually, if we look at the SLV, this gets interesting to see how this shakes out. So the SLV, here she is. So the SLV, this is the ETF for silver. That did 12 million shares. You're going into 5.4 million from the swing point of June. This thing wants to basically blow it away. Let me put this on a weekly. So on a weekly, it also, it's going to be cool. On a weekly, it's going to also, it's a huge ABC up. You get 15.22. Well, it's a point ABC up. So it gets you 16.68. Well, actually, we already hit, this is crazy. So check this out. This is sick. Silver, the SLV hit exactly the ABC up, 16.68 today. So you'll build cause. You'll build cause to get to higher price. Notes and bonds. Notes and bonds, folks, are also saying that you're going to see lower prices inside the S&P. And this is what you have. the note and bond market. So the note market and bond market in general, each and every time they've come down for the last 15 or 20 years, actually it's 17 years. They haven't broke a swing low in 17 years. And I'm going to bring this up so you can see it. And it's pretty wild, man. Once again, guess what? We came down hard and fast, no doubt, from June. You know, you went down from 127 straight down to 124.25. It takes, so on the way down, it was June 14th to July 6th to get there. So that's quick. Took all the way from the 6th of July till today, which is the 28th, to get back up there. It didn't seem like it could take it out with volume, but guess what? It blew it away with volume. The volume at the highs was 2.4 million contracts. We did 2.5. Didn't hold on price, but guess what? That is going to be, it looks like it's a much larger ABC structure on the way up. The 30-year also took it out, USU, but I'm going to put the 30-year on a continuous so you can see what's happening on the 30-year. Now, the 30-year, we get over the 157.28. You get to 158.04. You're into the bar good from November. So in November, we went from 164 to 155. This baby's saying we're going right back up to this 164 level. You got the volume, you got the juice, you got all of the above. So it's going to be pretty wild watching this shake out. Now, King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? So King Dollar hasn't been able to catch a bid since January 3rd. And guess what? King Dollar, folks, hit 91,550 today. 51,000 contracts. You get a high volume low. This baby, I suspect, is going to be right back down here. And I mean right back down here because it's selling, selling, selling. You had a fast move down. We did reject lower price. But as I said, if you get higher highs with volume, you get higher lows with volume, and you reject price either up or down, bottom line, they love going right back down into those levels. And King Dollar, 91.019 is your ABC structure price projection. And I do expect we're going to see it. More than likely, we're going to see it this week. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 56. NASDAQ up 18. S&P's up 3.5. We're going to be right back.